Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to take full control of your Bitcoin and dive into the decentralized world, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Bitcoin from Robinhood to MetaMask in 2025. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, but remember, crypto can be tricky, so always double-check everything to keep your funds safe. First things first, make sure you have a Robinhood account with some Bitcoin in it and that MetaMask is set up on your device. MetaMask is primarily for Ethereum-based assets, so we'll be dealing with wrapped Bitcoin, like WBTC, to make this work seamlessly. Start by opening your Robinhood app or website and logging in. Step 1. Navigate to your Bitcoin holdings. Look for the withdraw or transfer option, it's usually under the crypto section. Robinhood might prompt you to enable withdrawals if you haven't before, so follow those steps to verify your identity if needed. Step 2. Get your destination address ready. Open MetaMask, switch to the Ethereum network, and if you're using WBTC, ensure you have it bridged or ready. Actually, for Bitcoin, you'll need to send it to a Bitcoin wallet first, then use a bridge like Ren or Wrapped Bitcoin to convert it. Copy the Bitcoin address from your bridge service or a compatible wallet. Step 3. Back in Robinhood, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to withdraw and paste that address. Double-check the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Once you're sure, confirm the withdrawal. Fees might apply, so keep an eye on those. In 2025, network fees could be lower thanks to advancements like the Lightning Network. After initiating the transfer, it might take a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on the network congestion. Once it arrives in your Bitcoin wallet, follow the bridge instructions to swap it for WBTC and add it to MetaMask. Boom! You're now holding your Bitcoin in a decentralized wallet. A quick tip: always use hardware wallets for larger amounts to boost security. And if you run into issues, check Robinhood's help section or community forums. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you in the next one.